good morning everyone. So today, mag-report me sa amo ang Automata and Language Theory subject, which is the final project specification. So ang instruction ani is all about think of any group of words or strings that have pattern. It's either email, zip code, or the phone number. So in our group, we choose the phone number. So now, first, i-discuss na mo kining importing the necessary classes, which is makita niyo dira sa screen kaning show nga import java.util.regex matcher and then the pattern.
So now we will be defining and importing the necessary classes. As we can see on the screen, so here is the code importing the necessary classes. So we start with import java.util.regex .matcher, import java.util.regex.pattern. So the code begins by importing the matcher and the pattern classes from the java.util.regex package. These classes are used for working with the regular expressions.
In importing the necessary classes, first is, as you can see, naadara ng matcher. So kaning matcher is a part of a java.util.regex package. So in this part, it provides the method of performing match operations on a given input string based on a regular expression pattern. So moving on the pattern, yes, the same. It also the part of the package in the code. This pattern represents the compiled version of a regular expression pattern. So it also provides a method called compile that takes regular expressions in a string and compiles into a pattern object.
Number 2. Defining the main class. Code. Public class Automata final project sa S3. Public static void main string args. Explanation. The code defines a class name Automata final project history and main method. The main method is the entry point of the program.
Defining the phone number. Code. String phone number equals 0935434138. A string variable named phone number is declared and initiated with a simple phone number.
So as you can see, sa pag-define namo sa phone number, may butang mi og 11 digit, which is kanang nadira nga 0935434138 with comment. So replace this with your phone number. So butangan na siya comment because you can para ma-replace nimo bisag unsa nga phone number basta 11 digits. The phone number, this line declares the variable name. So of course nadira ng type string. In Java, it is a string. So it is a class that represents the sequence of characteristic. And then the string phone number and the number, this line initialize the variable with the example of phone number. And then the subsequent code of the uses phone number, the variable is to check if it matches the specified regular expressions of patterns. And now, i-discuss po ning about sa compiling the pattern and creating matcher. So sa code, kita dira ng pattern that compile regular expression or regex, and then the matcher, which is the pattern that matcher and then the phone number. So in this case, it also the object is created by compiling the regular expressions pattern using the pattern that compile regex. And then the matcher object is created and invoking the matcher method of the pattern object that passing the phone number of the string. So now in the last part, which is checking the phone number matches of the pattern. So naadira sa code if matcher that matches, and then siya plus the phone number, valid 11-digit phone number. So this matches method that the matcher class is used to check if the phone number matches the pattern. So if it does, a message indicating that 11-digit phone number is printed. So otherwise, a message indicating that it is not valid 11-digit. So the phone number is printed. And then that brief explanation of the code, it uses regular expressions to validate if the given phone number 11 it is valid. So kung sa overall mo validate na siya kung ang 11 digit is valid siya nga phone number. So again, that's all for today's discussion about final project specification of regular expression. So as you can see, we choose phone number. And then I hope we discussed the code well and then cleared. I hope you've learned something, and that's all.